Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the gym test of the MDR XB510. So that's the model number of the Sony waterproof earphone, but I just call it the Sony waterproof earphone because this is an all-rounder. You can actually use it wherever you feel like. You can take it to the swimming pool, you can use it in the gym, you can take it for a jog, you can do whatever with it because this supports everything. So this is a special kind of earphone which is kind of cheap now, not that expensive. You can get it below 3000 rupees. I was the lucky one who got it for 1300 at a sale, but I've searched everywhere, but you don't get it that cheap anymore. So let's go ahead, do the gym test. Now for this test I've actually got two other people. I've got Dhanya over here.
Hi.
And Manoj.
Hi.
So both of them will be helping me with the gym test. So let's go ahead and start the gym test and then we will talk about it. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now, basically, these earphones are excellent in the gym. No matter what kind of exercises we tried, it passed everything. So this time I tried more of exercises where generally earphones fall off. All three of us did different kind of exercises, and it did not move. Now it depends on your ear size. If you have small ears, big ears, whatever the ear size is, this actually has attachments, enough of attachments to actually fit anywhere. So that's good. Even though the earphone is that big, it still fits everyone's ear, whether it's small, big, doesn't matter. Now, these are truly, these are the first earphones that I've used which are carefree earphones. I can do whatever I feel like, whatever I feel like. I can go for a swim with it, I can go for a jog, I can go to the gym, I can watch a movie on this. I can do whatever I feel like, and nothing really happens to it, and the sound quality is very good. Now these come with extra bass. Now do not compare it with the regular extra bass Sony earphones. They have more bass. These have little less bass than that, but good enough. So for a sports earphone, the bass is excellent. So the sound quality is very nice. I've already done a sound quality video, so you can see that. I'll put the link on top somewhere, so you can see that. Now coming back to the fit and performance, excellent fit, does not fall off. Performance is very nice, sound quality is very nice. All three of us loved the earphone. So all in all, excellent earphone. You do get a carrying pouch with it, even though it's the kind of earphone that you do not have to take care of much. You can just throw it wherever you feel like and then use it. It's a rough and tough earphone, but still you get a carrying pouch, so you can put the earphone in that, put the extra attachment. One more good thing which I liked about this is the cable length adjuster. So you get this with this earphone. You can actually adjust the length of the cable. You can shorten it to whatever length you want. In case you are one of those people who like to keep their phone here, you can actually shorten the wire and then keep the phone over there. If you want to keep it in your regular pockets, it's fine. If you are wearing cargos, then uh, you'll just keep the long wire. So it's adjustable, it's customizable. You can do whatever you feel like with it. So all in all, excellent earphone. I really like the customization option, the sound option, and the sound quality. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.